everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mushamala. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I am using Neutrogena Fairness Cream as a primer. Okay, now take a little bit amount of the fairness cream and apply this cream face and neck. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. Okay, next I am using this compact powder, Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade Triple 2. Okay, I am using this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. Okay, I am using this Babila angular brush for filling my eyebrows. I choose this dark brown color for filling my eyebrows. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I'm using this eyeshadow palette also from filling my eye shades. I'm using this peach color eyeshadow color for filling my eye shades. Okay, next I am using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. I used this upper and lower line also filling this eyeliner. Okay, next I am using this kajal from Itex. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
Okay, next I am using this hyper curl mascara from Maybelline.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Okay, next I am using this M&N lip liner, orange color.
we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to
Okay, next I am using this LA 18 lipstick. This is also orange color.
them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. On we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, next I put a bindi from my brows middle. This is from Itex, black color, P5 size.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
So this is my makeup look, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys, take care, keep smiling. We'll see you in the next video, hairstyle video. Bye.